Tired of chasing signatures and drowning in paperwork? Let's unlock the secrets of Docusign and see how it revolutionizes document workflows. First, upload your document, whether it's a contract, agreement, or form, directly into Docusign. Supported formats include PDFs, Word documents, and more. Now, add recipients and designate where each person needs to sign, initial, or fill in information using Docusign's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. You can assign specific roles to each recipient, like signer or reviewer. Next, Docusign sends an email notification to each recipient with a secure link to review and sign the document electronically from any device. Recipients can easily adopt a signature, type their name, or even upload an image of their handwritten signature. Docusign ensures legal compliance by capturing and embedding a detailed audit trail within the signed document. Once all parties have signed, everyone automatically receives a completed and legally binding copy of the document. Docusign stores documents securely in the cloud, making them easily accessible and searchable. Docusign streamlines workflows for countless industries, from real estate and finance to healthcare and legal, saving time and boosting efficiency. So ditch the paper and embrace the power of digital signatures. Discover how Docusign can transform your business with faster turnaround times and enhanced security.